Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, okay, let me just give you the backstory of this. So this was supposed to be originally me talking and stuff like that. As you can see me, I am talking all the way through. But the audio got mashed up and then I had to redo the video. So I thought I'd just show you from the beginning how it is here. So this video literally took me like 2 weeks to record. I'll tell you why, because I put on this wig first of all, and then literally what happened is that I wasn't really feeling the video and how I did it. So what I went a week later when I got my bleach, I decided to like put highlights in there, layers and stuff like that, what you'll see in the end. But as you can see here, I'm just going to talk you through on how I style this wig. So this is a closure wig. It is a very thick wig. At first I was very kind of not excited about the thickness of this wig. If you like thick wigs, then this wig is for you because the thickness is beautiful. But these days, thick wigs, it's hard for me to style on my head at the top because I feel like it's not going to be flat. But if you see on the end results, all you need to do is take your sweet time styling this wig. What you need to do is get a hot comb and try and style it and stuff like that, and you're good to go. So I think right here the audio gets a bit better, so I can at least come back and talk. You want to literally just focus on the parting area. Need it flat. Flat, 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 flat. Flat like my body. Flat. Body flat like. Flat. How flat you need it. That's really nice though. It's really nice and soft. That's somewhat looking flat. I'm not cutting this off, guys, until after, because I usually burn my forehead, so this is basically like a safeguard for me. I'm gonna use some powder, put this powder on, and I'm just gonna blend out at the front to find the middle parting. I can't see anything. This is so hard. Look how thick this hair is, y'all. This is really nice and thick. Really pleased with this wig. I've never seen a wig this thick before. Swear down. Show you how it holds a curl. This is how it came. Let's curl this up and see what happens. I like this curling iron. They don't sell it anymore on Amazon. Sorry guys, so if you're wondering where to get it from, I don't know. It doesn't even have a name either. It's just a 1.5 inch barrel, I think. Yeah, that's it. Okay. I like to hold it and press it for a little while till it cools down. Ow, it's hot. And then let's drop it. Ooh, this is nice and bouncy. I wish I could sit here and curl it up for a good 2 hours, but I can't. So all the information of this hair will be in the description bar below, so if you're interested, click. But yeah, this hair is really nice. The wig is very thick. If you like a nice thick wig, then it's definitely for you. Don't want a thin wig. Thin wigs just look like cheap wigs. Always looks nice when it's a bit thicker. Do a bit of curls in there. I'm gonna go and cut this lace now. Alright, so it's been literally like 2 weeks after that first video. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a fan at all of how that hair came out, but look at this. Look at this, guys. No wonder people work on their wigs for like 2-3 hours, because you wouldn't think that that wig and this wig is the same thing. I cut a bit of layers, I got a bit of highlights at the front. I tried anyways. I just bleached it and then that was it. I washed it out. Someone suggested I should like light it up a bit more and do a bit more highlights. I will, but I ran out of bleach and toner and stuff like that. But anyways, this is the hair. The hair here. Look at this. I honestly did not give that wig a chance. I was over it. I saw the wig and I was like, you know what, I'm not really a fan, but I think I like this. I think this is a bit of me. It's a bit of me. yeah, I think I like this. What do you think? Anyways, so yeah, I just wanted to come on here and encourage you. If you don't like a wig, put a bit of highlights in, curl it up, bit of layers, and maybe you might like it like I do. Nah, but honestly guys, give it a chance. Give it a chance. So yeah, it was very thick, but I think it just needed some taming. And now I like the thickness. I really like the thickness. I like how flat it is on my head now, because I don't know what was going on before. The layers are very nice. See guys, I wanted to I was going to delete the whole video and start it like this, but I wanted to show you on the process when it comes to wigs. Don't do what I did. Sit there and literally take some time and do it. This needs more curling and obviously toning and stuff, but if you like this, then it's alright. It's a bit of me. I won't lie, it's a bit of me, but like I said, you sit there and honestly learn some new skills on your wigs and stuff, on what suits you, because I actually am feeling this. Even their hair feels good. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Mwah.